And my 0-hour submission is demand to declare the Ima Keithels Women Market of Manipur as a living cultural heritage site. Sir, the Ima Keithels in Manipuri, Ima means mother and the Keithel means market, that is mother's market, also popularly known as the Khwainambal Ima Keithel, situated at the heart of Imphal city. Manipur is one of the oldest women markets in Asia, run only by women folk, and no male traders are allowed to open stalls or shop there. It has a very long mythological story about its establishment. It is not only a commercial hub, but it also occupies as a vital socio-economic space in the history of Manipur. Sir, the two women uprisings of Manipur, known as the Nupilan of 1904 and 1939, against the British colonial rules, were initiated, organized by the women leaders of this market. This market is a unique symbol of women economic empowerment, and it may be described as a great example of Nari Shakti. Because of its unique nature, its historical significance, and its value of women empowerment, I urge upon the Union government to declare the Ima Keithels or Khwainambal Ima Keithels as a living cultural heritage site under Article 51A and to preserve it as a place of historic interest and national importance under Article 49 of Indian Constitution. Thank you, sir.